Hiya students, I hear you Algebra 2 kids need a lesson on some basic math principles. So today we're going to be going over compound interest by yours truly, Elijah Sulowski and Andrew Chu. Show him, Andrew. Come on. Show him. Wait, no, pan back to me. Pan back to me. Yeah. Alright, thank you. Just show them. Yeah, this is what we're dealing with today. Crippling guitar debt. Now, I am a guitarist, and you may have met some guitarists, and you're like, how do you afford all this guitar stuff? We don't. We get debt. We get a lot of debt. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So next slide. Okay. So imagine, if you will, you're going to a Guitar Center. All right. So this guy, we'll pretend we're Dennis. Here's Dennis. Hi, Dennis. He's going into Guitar Center, and he's just looking at the guitars, and he's like, what guitar do I want? I know. I want the, hold on, Ibanez TOD10 and Tim Henson signature nylon acoustic electric guitar, black flat. Okay, so Dennis wants this guitar, and so he goes to the cashier, and the cashier says, this guitar is very expensive. But Dennis is like, don't worry, I have my trusty dusty credit card. So he swipes it, he puts it all on his credit card. But big whoopsies. Turns out that guitar is $700. And if you include tax, that's about $750, right? Right, Andrew?
Yep.
Yeah, $750. So, yeah, very bad. So now Dennis is in a very bad predicament. He definitely needs financial advice. So first of all, he's got credit card debt. Secondly, his bank's probably gonna call him now, and they're gonna say, hey, we're gonna start putting interest on this, and if you don't pay it back, we're gonna take you to court. So what are we gonna do? I think we know what we should do. I think we should help out our good friend Dennis and teach him all about interest, specifically compound interest.
Alright, so what is compound interest?
Wait a second after I say record.
Oh, yeah, okay. Right, so what is compound interest? And what is the difference between compound interest and, say, simple interest? Now, if we look at this graph on compound interest versus simple interest, we can see that simple interest is a blue line, shown right here, and it's linear. It doesn't go up very far, but it's a straight line across the whole thing. Compound interest is this orange line. It's a curve. It's exponential, meaning that it starts off slow, but it will increase far more than simple interest will. Now, the formula for compound interest is A, which is the amount you'll eventually pay back at the end. P, which is the principal, is the amount of money you spent in the beginning. R, which is the interest rate, and it's a decimal. N is the number of times interest is compounded per year, and T is the time in years that you're paying it back through. Now, to use this equation, we have a handy little word problem here. Dennis initially starts off with $750 in debt. He needs to pay his debt off in 1 year, and the credit card company charges him 20% interest compounded monthly. What work is now pause. Good. So, if you did this correctly, you will see that this is our equation, or formula, that we use to calculate this. If you identified each of these variables correctly and plugged them into the equation like this, you would get an answer of $914.54 for the amount of money Dennis would need to pay back after 1 year. Armed with this new information, new knowledge about compound interest, Dennis is now rich, and he has a mansion, and he's paid back all of his debt.
Well, acquired.
Dennis.
Yeah, and he's acquired more now because he used like three more credit cards to buy this.
There we go.
Hi. Blah 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 blah. All right, let's see. Does it sound good? With this beautiful sun, it's the sunset. Do a time lapse. I think this allows for time lapses. Dude, look at her. Come here. It looks so nice. We're recording our neighbor. It's so messed up. very pretty.
I mean,
Very pretty.
someone could just walk over here and watch you sleep at night.
Yeah. Is it on my face?
I tried to. I didn't. I can't kiss it. It was like. Here. Is this
Hold
the
on.
farthest you can
Yeah,
go?
we can go. We can go back and look at it. Hold on. Let me try to just land it. I did it first try. It's not even fair. Hold on.
I can't do this. I suck at doing this.
What? No, you got it.
Okay, so compound interest. What is compound interest? Who knows? Well, actually, this. Oh God, I have to explain interest first. Interest is. You do like the scripting where like you have to think up and then move back next line.
What if I come up to you mid take and I'm just like, and you're like, go, go.
Yeah, so compound interest between these two, compound interest, you either gain more, way more money, or you have to pay more in debt by the end of your. Nice. So the compound interest formula.
Failed.
So the equation for compound interest is